First, they need the castle with all the guys.
Oh,
Get out of here!
This is very embarrassing.
Woo!
My little brother,
Woo!
my big brother is throwing things out of the house.
Well, the tiny did. Let's go! You
Your head is too fat to fit in there.
No. Yeah.
I told you your head was too fat.
No. See?
Man, he sucks.
Yee.
This is very bad.
Oh.
Mamma Mia? Tune in next time on Mario and Luigi's Dumb Adventures.